Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can edit your username on your TikTok account from your PC or your laptop. To do so, first of all, you just have to log into the TikTok account that you want your username to be changed. Now after you have logged into your TikTok account, you will be on the For You page or the home page of TikTok. And here on the left hand side you can see an option for profile. Just go onto your profile, and after you are on your profile, you can see an option for edit profile. Go on to edit profile again. And after clicking on it, you can see this option pop up. And here is an option for username. Now you can just change your username from here to whatever you like. And that is how easy it is to change your username on your TikTok from your laptop or PC. This was this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.